23 of the 77 delegates for Miss Earth 2024 arrived in Cebu on Thursday, October 24, kicking off a series of exciting activities leading up to the coronation night on November 9. Kandaya Resort warmly welcomed the ladies with a vibrant performance by the Haladaya Dancers. This year's pageant theme is Heritage, aimed at promoting the preservation of cultural identities and traditions, aligning with Miss Earth's mission of environmental protection, a value that resonates with the resort.
We take care of our people, we take care of the community, and more importantly, we take care of Mother Earth. Mother Earth is a creation of God. I think we all agree. And as we expand, society expands, civilization grows, we tend to forget the beauty of nature.
The delegates began their Cebu tour with an exciting motorcade around the municipality. On Friday, October 25, the ladies dazzled the resort's pool area with style and elegance during a fashion show featuring the Bohemian Cruise Collection from Bezza Wear by 𝗃𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗋. The festivities continued by the beach, where the delegates showcased their dancing skills and introduced themselves to the crowd.
Mabuhay Philippines and Nisambula Vinaka! My name is 𝗃𝗶𝗵𝘀 and I'm representing the most beautiful and friendly island nation, Fiji! Mabuhay Philippines! My name is 𝗃𝗶𝘀𝘀 and I am your Miss Earth friend!
They also offered a glimpse into their personalities during casual interviews with yours truly, sharing insights about their advocacy efforts.
I want to promote the environmental consciousness through care and educational activities, and all of us are responsible and we have the power to keep the earth cleaner and make a better green world.
My advocacy is the promotion of the use of organic waste that becomes animal food. Salamat po.
Several candidates expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the Cebuanos for their warm hospitality.
You know, I would love to stay in the Philippines because I love the vibe, I like the kind of energy that, you know, the positive energy and how you treat foreigners as well, regardless of their color. You know, I believe that the vibe that we are getting, it's making us feel like we are all one, you know, one nation, whether black, white, Asian.
My favorite experience is the hospitality of the people. The people are extremely welcoming. I love that so much.
A pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
I love everything here. The food is amazing. I love the people and the places. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Brazil. Miss Brazil, can I teach you one Cebuano word to describe our food? That's lami. Can you say lami?
Lami.
Lami kaayo. Thank you very much, Miss Brazil.
Some also emphasized the importance of authenticity in their journeys.
You know, like, you just have to be true to your heart. Because if your intentions are pure, then nothing could come up wrong. Because, you know, you're always true to yourself. Be true, don't pretend to be anyone else. Know that you are good for who you are.
Be yourself. Do not try to be somebody else. Honestly, being your best self is the best thing you can do, and embrace your uniqueness.
Meanwhile, Philippines representative 𝗖𝗲𝗯𝗂 from Davao del Sur spoke about her Bisaya roots, enjoying her home court advantage.
As a Bisaya, proud jud kayo ko nga ipasigarbo sa laing tao or sa tanan. Not just here in the Philippines, but to whole earth, that kita mga Bisaya kay mga palaban.
As the event drew to a close, Grace Gavigan from Wales was crowned Miss Earth Kandaya 2024. During the earlier Q&A session, she shared how the pageant stands as her biggest accomplishment so far.
I'd have to say being here in the Philippines on this stage, representing my country, developing an advocacy that I'm so incredibly proud of, that I've developed and made a plan to take global, is probably one of my greatest accomplishments.
This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.